How many times I've thought about putting a camera in this studio that is constantly on and constantly streaming what I'm doing in the studio to the internet. Because if that was true, I promise you I would not masturbate. I promise you I would not eat refined sugar. I promise you I would work out more. I promise you these things are true. I promise you I would probably work more. I bet you all of those things are true. Because, and what do you think about that?
It sounds horrible. The camera, my man, and all that stuff. Like, oh my God, like, why can't we have fun? Like, or whatever. Like, I mean, it just sounds like, I mean, like, but just like, I don't know. Like, when I go over to friends' houses, I'm like, tonight is off the record, right? And like, what are you talking about? Like, I mean, like literally off the record. Like, no, you can't take a photo. You can't tweet anything tonight. You can't, like, we're just gonna talk and have fun and do whatever, and it's off the record. Like, it's sort of. I'm not saying it's Vegas, you know, in the microcosm. I'm just saying, like, even don't repeat it. Like, just like, but let it live. Like, let's live and let's talk. Let's just have dinner or whatever.
But what about the asymmetry that Nassim Nicholas Taleb talks about, where your private life is different than your public life, and that asymmetry is actually unhealthy because then you're a different person in those two scenarios?
Well, I would argue that same way that I needed to write books in a certain voice and then express a different part of my personality, this is how people actually become whole, is through that dualism. In an ideal world, sure, you could be yourself at all times. But who goes to work where they get to be themselves entirely, right?
I'm
like,
almost there, I would say.
Yeah, well,
I'm getting there.
It's great. Like, I think I think some people get more mature, they get more comfortable.
That's right.
And they don't feel like they have to do this self-presentation thing.
Yeah.